Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I'm fine. My channel step by step total tutorial and top to 10 minutes important topics touches my videos and presentation my videos. Very important point total search engine optimization, digital marketing and social media marketing. These videos present using the search engine marketing strategy in digital marketing. Very important point: the search engine marketing strategy and digital marketing. Digital marketing, the big platform of digital marketing. As like a digital marketing, the part of number one search engine optimization, search engine marketing, and social media marketing. But I can present presentation using an search engine marketing strategy, SEM strategy on digital marketing. So friends, start now my tutorial, my lecture, my class. Today's my class and what is search engine marketing and digital marketing. Search engine marketing, that means SEM, in the process of primary using paid advertising. Order to great website to rank on search engine as SEM strategy, search engine marketing strategy, one of the most effective method. The search engine marketing is a paid marketing. Paid advertising is the most effective search engine marketing strategy, the most effective method in that all digital marketing. Again, is schedule adapt in order to understand how paid advertising platforms work and how to their benefits a business. Any business, small business, large business, medium business, all business need to the paid advertising. The most important, the search engine marketing, very important. Your business brand value, your business brand awareness, and your business how to make money and how to earn money, lot of revenues income for the online platform and online advertising or digital marketing. The very important part, the search engine optimization and search engine marketing. The presentation my videos, search engine marketing. Again repeat, very important point. Search engine marketing, the process, the primary using advertising, website rank on search engine, SEM search engine strategy, and the most effective method all digital marketing should they adopt in order to understand how to paid advertising platform work and how to they can benefit a business. Use an search engine marketing strategy and digital marketing. What is the SEM, search engine marketing? You know for that the what is the search engine marketing? You have some knowledge. I am some topics. My videos, the old videos, the what is search engine SEM marketing, search engine marketing, the some topics. Again to repeat my videos, the presentation. What is the SEM, search engine marketing? Search engine marketing, SEM, is the process primary using paid advertising in order to create website rank higher on search engine result page, SERPs, search engine result page, that process and obtain configure with search engine. There are generally use the including with the make and definition and understand that is the difference between these two. Our blog search engine marketing and search engine optimization, SEO, and versus SEM, great better understand the difference between the two process, the search engine marketing and search engine optimization. Search engine optimization and search engine marketing. In order to for search engine marketing to be effective to need, there I have search engine strategy will provide it. No, you need to increase in your search engine marketing and advertising. Their budget benefit of search engine marketing is that you have full control over your targeted audience and where a note ads in campaign will trim thrive and search engine Where are also net and complete and organic, that is the paid and will shows on search engine reading how to your optimize and will optimize. The type of search engine marketing, the lot of type of search engine marketing, very important topics and important point the presentation my videos and the type of search engine marketing almost above the difference. What is the search engine marketing in process primary using the paid advertising order to rank SERPs, search engine result page, that is the only type of advertising that use SEM. The three type of the SEM, search engine marketing, that is they usually help rank website to search engine and others. That the number one, pay per click paid advertising, PPC, pay per click. Number two, local search engine optimization, local search engine optimization. Number three, organic search engine optimization. Number three type of search engine optimization, type of SEM, search engine marketing. Number one, pay per click paid advertising, PPC. PPC is a counseling out of the most effective, the quick way to great website to rank on SERPs, search engine result page. There are type of search engine marketing is seen immediately, that is the ads will difference in the sponsor selected of the search engine on the search engine popular platform used to PPC advertising on Google advertising and Microsoft ad. The number two, the local search engine optimization. Local search engine optimization, any type of search engine optimization that use great business listing to your Google Map result, Google My Business. This is search result will be displayed and the medium. There are search engine result page are the responsibility by map pin my map with pins on the shows the valuous location can become up the location search result on type and search engine marketing can be between the before shows on the search engine. Number three, the organic search engine optimization. The organic search engine optimization. Organic search engine optimization refer to use update non-local process in order to again the industry's visitor and website. Their results are usually placed between paid and the local ads on SERPs and the targeting by keyword using the keyword optimization or website result. This is the type of SEM that taken between before the gain and process the search engine. Search engine strategy, very important part my video lasted, the search engine strategy. Search engine strategy basically the next step one of search engine optimization study that has been completed your own include local and paid advertising to top your organic search engine optimization other the search engine marketing and search engine optimization SEM search engine marketing both refer the search engine important to understand that is the approach taken to creating the search engine strategy same to what have been taken from search engine optimization strategy and search engine marketing strategy should be for you can increase the traffic to website by using paid advertising. Create document the broad agency client can always refers back to when the mention there is result to be advertising and complaint. Build the between or again the client is given keen opportunity that is the no and the drawing the part of important paid and advertising can be used approach and this the search engine optimization this start is running given you ability to optimize promote engage and mass the products and advertising click and market campaign difference targeted audience your paid and the campaign and especially understanding and this the audience response and type of paid advertising increase the complaint during the search engine marketing SEM strategy. The budget to use so the make and client at the defense and during this the process optimize promotion engaging and the search engine marketing. Step to forward the creating search engine strategy, identify there are process when advertising thought of paid marketing, defense the audience search, choose your wing paid marketing platform, set budget your advertising, set up paid marketing campaign and platform, analyze your mention the SEM strategy, search engine marketing strategy to set up your for success. The campaign is search engine strategy, that is the first time change your challenge and import the process on understanding the what is the client business allowed, that is the able from the SME keyword, that understanding search engine marketing and the search engine search engine optimization repeat to success put of the thought and great SME strategies client. Read more affect these the organized hello friends, the very important point is the my videos the using the search engine strategy in digital marketing, the lot of points at the heart touches important points my video, what is the search engine marketing and search engine marketing and type of search engine, pay per click, PPC local search engine optimization and organic search engine optimization and search engine strategy. That are the lot of kind of search engine strategy, promote, optimize and engagement. Their type follows of the search engine search engine strategy, search engine successfully. Thank you, friend. The very important topic, the use and search engine strategy and digital marketing, very important point. Thank you. Best of luck.